Okay, so the microwave that I ruined, I took it apart and I got these two really awesome magnets, but I can't even get apart. Anyway, I got these two freaking awesome magnets. Bam. Like, freaking awesome, right? So we're gonna try microwaving one, see what happens. Ugh, okay. They're super duper strong, right? Okay, come here, phone. Camera, whoever you are. Okay, so we go like that. Put that, I don't know what that is. Okay. Right? So you go like that. So I'm gonna put it like that. I'm gonna microwave 5 minutes. Start. Okay, let's see what happened. Oh shit, I stepped on something. Okay, nothing happened. My guess is it's gonna be super duper hot. Oh yeah, okay, so it's super duper hot. I'm not gonna touch it. See if I can grab it. Oh shit! Oh my god, that scared me. Okay. It's definitely... Okay, yeah, okay, we're not gonna touch it. It's really, really, really hot, but it didn't explode like I thought it would. It just got super, super duper hot. Ow, burnt my finger. Okay. So do not microwave magnets because nothing exciting happens. Anyway, okay. I'm gonna go find other things to microwave. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.